hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Hi guys, my name is Crissy from Crissy Marie here on YouTube. I'm so excited that I'm finally tackling my disastrous closet. It's in the making right now. We're almost done. From my shoes, my bags, my purses, and all of my clothes. I Konmari'd everything, reorganized everything, and made everything very aesthetically pleasing. Check out Shanti's lifestyle and her closet Konmari that she is doing. We partnered up together. I'm super excited for this collaboration. I'm finally tackling this huge mess in my closet. Everything in this closet is getting done in today's video.
Hi everybody, my name is Shanti from Shanti's Lifestyle. I am a wife and a mother of 3. On my channel you'll find a lot of different videos, from cleaning, cooking, organization, decorating videos, basically anything that pertains to being a woman, wife, and a mother. I love it if you guys come over and check out my channel. Hopefully subscribe after you're done watching this beauties video. If you do decide to come over and subscribe, please let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys there. Bye.
Alright you guys, here is a before of my closet. It's super unorganized and messy, very inconvenient. I can't find anything in there. So I am just super ready to get it over with and tackle all of this stuff. Here are some of the baskets and organizing bins that I am going to be using for my closet organization. I'm not going to be using all of these because most of these I did buy for my linen closet, but I'm going to see what fits in my closet. And here are some command hooks and some plastic command hooks that I'm going to use to hang my bags and my purses. So the first thing that I'm doing is taking down all of my shoes. I had a girlfriend of mine come over and she helped me with all of my shoes, all of my clothes, and we went through all of my clothes, you guys. I mean, we literally took every single piece of clothing out, went through all of it, and she took what she thought would look nice on her, and she really helped me. I was gonna donate a lot of things, but I'm glad that she came over and helped me. I did a huge purge. I got rid of everything that doesn't fit me anymore, or that I'm just not wearing that style anymore. So very thankful that I purged a lot of shoes and a lot of clothes that just didn't make me happy anymore.
but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer.
The best bit of advice that I could give you during this video is, likewise with any of my organizing videos, is to start by taking every single piece of thing out of the area that you're going to be organizing. It's the best way to do it, to start fresh, an open palette, and it just gets you creative and in the mood. It sets your tone for the rest of your organizing day. Take everything out. It is always a good idea when organizing any area to wipe everything down. I am using my Method all-purpose spray cleaner in the scent Sea Salt and Lime. I am wiping down all of the rods and all of the walls in my closet. And then after that is done, I'm going to give it a really, really good vacuum.
Too deep like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide.
All right, you guys, as usual, I have to split this organizing video into 2 days. I am here taking care of 3 little girls, all under the age of 3. So mom live calls as usual, and I had to get dinner ready and do our nighttime bedtime routine with the little girls. So it is a fresh new day with a fresh new start, and I am pumped to organize.
Your body wrapped around me, goodness strange. You got me looked upon it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I'm in too deep like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Okay guys, so this pile that we got going on right here is mostly summer sandals that I'm going to put in a bin and get them ready to be stored away for fall and winter, and then they will be ready to go spring and summer of 2020. Here are most of my little booties and closed-toe shoes that I'm going to be wearing for fall and winter. There are some house shoes right there, just some quick shoes to slip on when I need to take the garbage out or run to the store. And over here we have all of my mom shoes. So now I'm taking all of my fall and winter booties and putting them along the top of the closet up here. They will be easily accessible, but they're so big and long that they will definitely be out of the way. So it'll be really easy and convenient for me to just load them all up here. You guys, I was standing up on here to reach up there and I busted this whole thing, like the whole thing just came off.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. Miss you more when you seem too far away, and you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this?
So you are definitely going to see me putting shoes in one place and then taking them out and putting them right back into a different place, and so on and so on. Definitely play with your space and what spacing options you have, and try to feel around for what's going to work best for you and the spacing options that you have. What is going to be best suited in which area of your closet, which shoes you wear the most, and things like that all come into account when organizing something.
Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. And it's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
Okay, so I played around with my space in my shoes and I am satisfied where everything is at. I put all of my summer shoes away in a bin to get them ready for next year, and all of my shoes are laid out easily convenient to what I'm going to use the most this fall and winter. Now I'm going to move on hanging up some command strips and hooks so I can have a place to hang my bags and my purses instead of it looking tacky and hanging up all over the back of my closet door. Command hooks are such a great option to hang things without putting nails in your wall, especially if you're renting like we are. So guys, I have done some research. I have looked on Amazon, I have looked all over the internet and at local stores for the best deal on velvet hangers. I wanted all of my hangers to be matching, so I found these 50 packs of velvet black hangers at Costco for $12.99. You can't beat that deal. That's such a good price for velvet hangers, especially these sturdy ones. And they occasionally do go on sale at Costco for $9.99. They will be $3 off. So definitely snag them up when they are on sale, even when they're not on sale and they're full price for $12.99. 50 velvet hangers for that price, you definitely aren't going to find them anywhere cheaper than that. So I bought 3 packs and that gave me 150 total hangers, and I have about 50 of them left over for my husband's clothes when he comes home and for anything new that we do buy. So when I took all of my clothes out of my closet and placed them on my bed, I left them in the original plastic hangers, and now I'm taking the plastic hangers off and switching them out with the black velvet hangers.
I know you wanna find another reason. I know you wanna lie, making me stay. But let's talk. Are you at the avenue? I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me.
You guys, it feels so good to hang up all these clothes back into my closet. I purged so many of them and got rid of a whole bunch that I don't wear. I'm so happy with the results from these velvet black hangers. I love them. There were so many clothes in my closet that I completely forgot about that are still in style. They still fit me and they're still great quality. So definitely go through your stuff. You will be so surprised with what you find and you forgot that you had. I am using my second canvas bin up on top of my closet shelf to hold a few of my bags and purses, so when I need them, I will know exactly where my black bags are. I will also be storing an extra diaper bag and some overnight bags loosely on the top shelf. I know so many of you guys are so sick and tired of seeing all of those clothes and bags hanging all over the back of my closet door. It makes any video that I do in my bathroom raggedy, so I am so happy that I am taking all of this stuff off of my doors and it feels so good.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Down here I have a extra little storage basket that I just placed some scarves in.
without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do?
And another little storage basket, I think I could put some baseball hats in there. I just thought it looked cute. I'm really loving wicker right now and the wood boho vibes that are in my closet. Alright you guys, that is it for today's closet KonMari and organization video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you aren't already. If you are a returning subscriber, as always, I always appreciate you. Remember to check out Shanti's Lifestyles video and subscribe to her channel if you aren't already. Bye guys.